Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Figma with Google Workspace, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in figma.com and press enter. Once the Figma homepage loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see several options for signing in. Select the option labeled Continue with Google. This action will redirect you to the Google authentication page. If prompted, enter your Google Workspace email address. Then, click Next. On the following page, enter your password. After entering your password, click Next again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the steps to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be redirected back to Figma. You may be asked to give Figma permission to access your Google account. Review the permissions and click Allow. Now, you should be logged into your Figma account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. For future logins, you can directly visit Figma and select Continue with Google again. That completes the login process to Figma using your Google Workspace account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.